Hello everyone, welcome to my Hayley Smith cosplay tutorial. You may have seen my closet cosplay challenge video back in 2020, as she's been a cosplan of mine for a while. So I decided to finally put a legit cosplay together and honor my love for American Dad. Starting with the makeup, I wanted to keep things simple as Hayley would probably and realistically wear little to none. I applied black lenses for that animated look, then primed my face. I filled in my brows with a matte black eyeshadow, then used a spoolie to help with the blending and shaping. I applied concealer to blemishes and around my brows to clean up the edges. The reason why I spot conceal first is to give the product a chance to set and cover what I want to before blending it out. I apply foundation to my entire face with a damp sponge, then set everything in place with loose powder and the same sponge. I contour my nose, cheekbones, and jawline to add definition. Then I blended a matte taupe eyeshadow into my crease and down the lower lash line for the same effect. I also lined my lower lash line with a matte dark brown eyeshadow on a small angled brush to help balance out the look. I tightlined with a black eyeliner pencil and applied a white eyeliner pencil to my waterline. I also wiped off the angled brush from before and lined the space between my inner corner and lash line with more matte black eyeshadow. I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes, letting the brush smudge against my lower lash line for added definition. I finish the eyes with a modest pair of wispy false lashes, then apply a matte liquid lipstick in a warm, muted rose color, before finishing with setting spray. Moving on to the wig, Hayley's style is very simple, yet recognizable. Luckily for me, I already had a black lace front wig that I previously wore for my femme Yuri Katsuki cosplay back in 2017.
I also restyled it back in 2019, which I completely forgot about until now.
Using the shortest layer as a guide, I separated the hair into smaller sections and trimmed the length to better suit Hayley's style. I used shears in a downward motion, then a razor comb to thin out the ends, brushing away any excess hair in between steps. I applied silicone spray with my hands to the bottom half of the wig, then used a steamer with a brush head attachment to straighten the hair and make it look more sleek and uniform overall. Hot things are hot, so please be careful. Lastly, we have the outfit and accessories. There are many to choose from throughout the series, but for my cosplay, I went with Hayley's iconic everyday look. I wore a dark gray crop tank top with some low-rise baggy jeans in a medium wash denim, along with these light brown Birkenstock dupes. To make her bandana, I started by folding this green one to fit the width of my forehead, then secured it with fabric tape. I blocked off my workspace with Q-tips, then freehanded 5 flowers with pink fabric paint to match Hayley's style, based off a reference photo. I applied about 5 layers of paint in total, waiting for each layer to dry completely before adding more. I also wore this black peace sign necklace, white jelly bracelet, bangle, and an ear cuff that I later lash glued to my belly button to create a faux piercing. To make her belt, I used a white one with a plaque buckle and some medium-sized googly eyes. Because I wanted all of the gold jewelry and hardware to match, I painted everything with the same color of multi-surface acrylic paint. I applied about 5 layers in total, waiting for each layer to dry completely before adding more. To seal the acrylic paint, I mixed 2 parts glue with 1 part water and applied a thin layer on top of each surface with a brush. Once they were completely dried, I used a reference photo to space out the gold detailing along the belt before securing them with hot glue. Again, hot things are hot, so please be careful. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. For more Hayley Smith content and ways to support me, check out my Instagram, TikTok, OnlyFans, Coffee, and merch. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.